Imagine you were cruising down the highway and suddenly your car feels like it just missed a step, or the revolutions per minute flare up without you going any faster. That sinking feeling is often accompanied by the check engine light, and if you have pulled the code P079C, you were dealing with a transmission friction element C slip detected. Now, before you start worrying about a complete transmission rebuild, let's break down what this actually means in plain English. Essentially, your car's computer, the ECM, is monitoring the internal speeds of your automatic transmission. It noticed that the component designated as friction element C is spinning faster than it should, meaning it is slipping. This isn't just a random glitch, it is a sign that the mechanical grip inside your transmission isn't holding tight. This can happen on a wide range of vehicles, from Chevrolets and Toyotas to Fords and Hondas. The symptoms are pretty hard to miss. You might feel uneven handling, erratic shifting where the car can't seem to decide which gear to be in, or even a harsh engagement when you put it into drive. In some cases, you might even spot a leak of red fluid under the car. So, where do you start? As a technician, I always tell people to start with the basics. Check your automatic transmission fluid, or ATF. Is it low? Is it dirty or smelling like burnt toast? Fluid is the hydraulic pressure that clamps these friction elements together. If the fluid is bad, the clamp is weak, and you get slip. If you haven't serviced your transmission filter and fluid in a long time, that might be your silver bullet right there. But here's a pro tip that many people overlook. Have you changed a tire recently? Believe it or not, mismatched tire sizes or even severely low tire pressure on one wheel can confuse the transmission. The computer sees different wheel speeds and thinks the transmission is slipping internally. It sounds crazy, but check your tire sidewalls and pressures before tearing apart the gearbox. If the fluid and tires are good, you might be looking at a wiring issue or a faulty solenoid inside the transmission, specifically related to circuit C. This code is a warning shot. If you ignore it, that slipping causes heat, and heat destroys transmissions. Start with the fluid, check your rubber, and if those check out, you might need to dig into the electrical harness to find a loose connection.